Alright, Chris, here's your 521 big block Ford. Give you a description, combination, got Edelbrock heads on. That's my ground hydraulic roller. We've got your pan and manifold valve covers on it. We're going to make her run, see if she does. Stay tuned. Oak 3300, 637 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 649, peak horsepower 590, so everything's good. We're rated at 550. So what we'll do is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, show you a couple of things here. See if your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card USB card full of technical information. In the engine crate will be this engine spec sheet. I'd recommend reading all that. Have a great day.